cup leaks a little bit.
I realize that.
Do you like your brother?
Yeah.
How many brothers do you want? Bless you.
I want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 brothers?
Yeah.
So you want 4 more?
Yeah.
He wants 5 brothers.
Oh, really?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What does 5 and 5 mean?
10. There's no way for that. Did you smash his finger?
9.
Did you smash your little finger? Did you smash your finger? Why'd you do that?
I knocked it down for him. Hold my hand.
I am gonna hold your hand. I was just filming you because I love you. Don't go around me in the parking lot. You say hi. You say hi. Hi, Felix. Got some things. Got these people waiting for me. Hey, danger. The lightning's coming for you. Don't, come on, Graham. What do you think, Felix? Doot. Ah, Daddy! Thanks, baby. Brian and I are sharing this. You say, I went in the pool. Yeah. I film my videos in natural light, and it's raining today, so it's really dark. And I don't want to put the overhead light on because it'll just look bad. So we're gonna attempt this. Let's see. I don't think it looks too bad. A little wet, but that's okay. Hi everyone, this is Lorraine. So I have it's so dark in here. I'm trying to film videos, it's just so dark. I think it turned out okay. And it's funny because I feel like my makeup was a little bit too dark after I did it to film the video, but because of how overcast it is, it kind of looks like more subtle, which actually worked out, I think. Hey honey bunny, I heard you. He was sleeping in the car, and then Brian came out and he's like, I'll sit here with him for a little bit. And so he did, and then he woke up, and now I think it's time to eat, huh? It's probably been about 2 hours, right? He eats probably every 2 hours, except at nighttime. Mama? Mama? No, don't get sad. We got Dexter today. It's a little bit tight. It's the extra large. I want to try out my leash, huh?